Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on Phemex. And in today's video I will show you in all these steps how you can create an account. So the first thing that we're going to do is we go to phemex.com and then we click right here on sign up. Then we go right here to email address and then we fill in right here our email address and then we create a password right here. So I will do that real quick. There we go. And then we do right here, create an account and claim awards. Then we do no thanks. And now we need to open our email address. So we will do this real quick because they sent a 6-digit code to our email address. There we go. And then right now we select right here on paste. You have successfully registered. And then right now our verification starts. But if you can see, if you go to the top, we are having an account right now, and that is exactly why you clicked on this video. So right now the verify starts and I will create another video for the verification because that will cost you a lot more time and I want to keep this video under 2 minutes. So now we are having an account. This is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.